Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to change Subaru Forester windshield wipers. First, gather your new wiper blades and a soft cloth. Make sure your Forester is parked on a level surface with the engine off. This simple task can be completed in about 10 minutes, significantly improving your visibility and driving safety. You don't need any special tools, just your hands and the new blades. Let's get started with the front wipers. To replace the front wipers, gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into an upright position. Locate the small tab on the wiper blade connector. Press this tab and slide the old blade off the J-hook. Take your new blade and slide it onto the J-hook, ensuring it clicks securely into place. Carefully lower the wiper arm back onto the windshield. Repeat this process for the other front wiper. Changing the rear wiper is just as easy. Gently lift the rear wiper arm a few inches from the glass. You'll notice the old blade is held by a small clip. Twist the old blade to detach it from the arm. Now, take your new rear wiper blade and align it with the arm's connector. Push the new blade firmly onto the arm until you hear or feel it lock into place. Carefully lower the arm back down. After installing all new blades, test them with your washer fluid to ensure they operate smoothly and clear the windshield effectively. For optimal visibility and safety, it's recommended to replace your wiper blades every 6 to 12 months, or sooner if you notice streaking or chattering. This simple maintenance step makes a big difference. Also, check the description for a link to those leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.